Hello everyone. Let's solve another past cat question from Cat 18 slot 2. The question is each visitor to an amusement park needs to buy a ticket. Tickets can be platinum, gold or economy. Visitors are classified as old, middle-aged or young. The following facts are known about the visitors and the ticket sales on a particular day. So we have three types of tickets, three types of people over here. Then we have some clues. 140 tickets were sold. That means in total 140 tickets were sold. Second one is the number of middle-aged visitors was twice the number of old visitors, while the number of young visitors was twice the number of middle-aged visitors. So basically this is regarding the number of visitors. Second one is young visitors bought 38 of the 55 economy tickets that were sold, and they bought half the total number of platinum tickets that were sold. Now this is regarding the number of tickets that these people are buying. So if you read the question here, first one is if the number of old visitors buying platinum tickets was equal to number of middle-aged visitors buying platinum tickets, then among the following which could be the total number of platinum tickets sold. So we simply have to keep everything into account, all the types of people, all the type of tickets. We also have to find out the platinum, gold, economy tickets taken by each type of visitor, that means old, middle-aged or young. Then the second one is if the number of old visitors buying platinum tickets was equal to number of middle-aged visitors buying economy tickets, then the number of old visitors buying gold tickets was. So basically what we finally have to do is we have to find out the number of types of tickets taken by each type of these visitors. So let us go to the next slide and try to solve the first question. So now we have to relate three types of visitors, three types of tickets. So we'll write down old over here, then middle-aged here, young people over here, and then we have to talk about the tickets. So platinum tickets, gold tickets, and finally economy tickets. So this will be our table. Here we will be writing down the total number of tickets and we'll keep the total over here also. So the table is formed. We know that from the first clue 140 tickets were sold, so we'll write 140 over here. Then the second clue is the number of middle-aged visitors was twice the number of old visitors, while the number of young visitors was twice the number of middle-aged visitors. So let me take old as X, then the middle-aged, they'll be 2x because they are twice of old, and young will be twice of middle-aged, that means 4x. So that means in total we have these many people, so all will be buying the tickets. So that means the sum of x plus 2x plus 4x will be equal to 140, because number of people will be equal to number of tickets, so x will be 20 from here. So we'll have total number of old people as 20 over here, middle-aged 40, and at last young will be 80. Then the third clue is young visitors bought 38 of the 55 economy tickets that were sold. So that means this clue tells us we have total 55 economy tickets, so we'll write 55 over here. Young visitors bought 38 of the 55, so they'll buy 38 of these 55, and they bought half the total number of platinum tickets that were sold. So we do not know anything about the total number of platinum tickets. Let them be 2y simply. So they bought half the total number of platinum tickets that were sold, so young will buy y platinum tickets. Last clue is the number of gold tickets bought by old visitors was equal to the number of economy tickets bought by old visitors. So that means gold and economy tickets taken by old visitors, it was same, so let this be A, let this be A. Now if we fill this space over here, old platinum, we have total as 20, so this will be 20 minus 2A. Then we have total as 2y over here, the platinum tickets. So what will be the number of platinum tickets by mid-aged? It will be equal to y plus 2a minus 20. You simply have to deduct y plus 20 minus 2a from this total 2y, so you will get this. Then if we check the column of economy over here, we have total 55 over here. So what will be the middle-aged and economy tickets? They will be equal to 17 minus a. Then only the sum of a, 17 minus a, 38 will be equal to 55. Similarly, if we look horizontally, the sum of total mid-aged is 40. So this particular thing, that means platinum mid-aged, this particular space and 17 minus a must be equal to 40. So when you equate LHS equal to RHS, you will be getting gold mid-aged as 43 minus y plus a. Now if we look at the bottom over here, we have total 140 tickets. It will be the sum of this 2y plus this particular thing and 55. So we'll be getting total gold over here as 85 minus 2y. Then similarly, the sum of this a 43 minus y plus a, this particular thing, it must be equal to 85 minus 2y. So when you will do that, you will be getting this as 42 minus y. So this is what we finally have. Now if we try to solve the first question, if the number of old visitors buying platinum tickets, old visitors platinum tickets, that means this one, was equal to the number of middle-aged visitors buying platinum. So middle-aged platinum, these two are equal, then which among the following could be the total number of platinum tickets sold? So platinum number, total tickets, it will be equal to 2y. So if we equate these two, then I'll be getting 20 minus 2a equal to y plus 2a minus 20. So if we rearrange this, I'll be getting 40 equal to y plus 4a. Now since I have to talk about 2y over here, because this is what we finally need to find out, the total number of platinum tickets sold. So if I multiply this whole equation by 2, I'll be getting 80 equals to 2y plus 8a. So 2y now will be 80 minus 8a. So I can say now that 2y will be, if I take common 8 over here, that is the maximum that we can take common, 10 minus a. So I can say that 2y will definitely be a multiple of 8. So in the options, we'll look for a multiple of 8. 34 will not be the answer, this won't be the answer, this won't be the answer. D 32, it is a multiple of 8, this will be the answer. So we'll solve the next question now. So the second question is, if the number of old visitors buying platinum tickets, old and platinum tickets, was equal to the number of middle-aged visitors buying economy tickets, so middle-aged and economy tickets, then the number of visitors buying gold tickets was. So number of old visitors buying gold tickets, that means you have to find out the value of a. So let me equate 20 minus 2a with 17 minus a. This will give me a equal to 3. So this will be equal to 3. That means 3 will be the answer to this question. So this was very easy. Let's solve the next question. The third one is, if the number of old visitors buying gold tickets was strictly greater than the number of young visitors buying gold tickets, then the number of middle-aged visitors buying gold tickets was. So old visitors buying gold tickets, so these are over here, a was strictly greater than, that means a will be strictly greater than the number of young visitors buying gold tickets. Young visitors buying gold tickets, it is 42 minus y, 42 minus y. Then the number of middle-aged visitors buying gold tickets was, so middle-aged buying gold tickets, so that means we need to find out the value of 43 minus y plus a. So using this inequality, I can say that y plus a will be greater than 42. So greater than 42, that means it can be 43, 44, 45, whatever. But now if I put it into this equation over here, we'll be getting the least value as 43 minus 43, which gives me 0. If I put y plus a equal to 44, I'll be getting 43 minus 44, which is equal to minus 1. But we are talking about the number of visitors in the question, which cannot be negative, so this won't be the answer. We can have only one value, which will be 0, so 0 is the answer to this question. Let's solve the last one. The last question is, which of the following statements must be false? So the first option is, the number of gold and platinum tickets bought by young visitors were equal. So platinum and gold by young, y is equal to 42 minus y, so this gives me y equal to 21. So yes, this is possible. If you put y equal to 21, then this is possible. We are talking about must be false, so any statement that can be true that cannot be our answer. Second one is, the number of middle-aged and young visitors buying gold tickets were equal. So middle, young and gold. So middle, young and gold, that means we'll equate these two now. 43 minus y plus a will be equal to 42 minus y, which gives me 1 equal to a. So yes, for a equal to 1, this can be true. Third one is, the number of old and middle aged visitors buying platinum tickets were equal. So old, middle and platinum. So old, middle, platinum. So 20 minus 2a will be equal to y plus 2a minus 20. So y plus 4a, this will be equal to 40. So we can say that if y plus 4a equal to 40, this statement can be true. Let us try to check the last one. The number of old and middle age visitors buying economy tickets were equal. So old, middle, economy. So old, middle, economy. So a must be equal to 17 minus a, which gives me a equal to 8.5, which is impossible because these a, y, all these are number of visitors which cannot be in fractions. So option D will definitely be false. D will be the answer to this question. So this was very easy. But in the beginning, when a lot of fields in the table were missing, it felt like this question cannot be answered. Most of the answers cannot be determined. But when you form equations, you keep following what has been told in the questions. You can answer this. You can easily answer this. So I hope the explanation was clear. If you still have a doubt, please comment. Thank you.